I'm an English teacher, but right now I'm talking with you as a learner, as a beginner, as a student.
No, but I am talking to you as my subscriber. That's it. That I'm very much confident about everything. I don't feel hesitant, nervousness. Can you see any nervousness or anything like because you are also stranger to me. I did not know you before this call, right? But
Yeah.
still, I'm very much comfortable while talking to you. So this is in my nature actually. I'm a very confident girl and I never feel shy or nervous. I personally feel that conversation videos are really, really helpful because when you're having conversation with someone, you are going to discuss different things which we are, facing in day-to-day life. This is how
Mhm.
we have to communicate in English. So when you are listening a conversation video, that can be help you in your future conversation also. And I would like to say that it's a really nice conversation with you. You're very straightforward. Whatever you want to ask very straightly. That okay, madam, I want to ask you questions, and you started asking me. So that's a very, it looks sometimes innocent, like you just started and you keep ask your all questions. Now you finish. Now we can start topic, right? So it's very good. Nice
Yeah,
conversation with you.
I am fine. Thank you for asking. What about you?
I am also doing good.
Okay, that's great. So,
First of all, I would
uh,
like to know about you. So can you please introduce yourself?
yeah, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, giving me golden opportunity. And as an introduction, this is Prem Singh Rawat from Uttarakhand. My district is Pauri Garhwal, and my development block is Naini Danda, Dhumakot. And I belong to village area, so my village is Devaldar. And regarding my qualification, I am B.Ed and postgraduate in English. And I belong to Hindi background. And regarding my profession, I'm a teacher in intermediate college in this area, in Janta Intermediate College, Androli, as an English teacher.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
That's nice introduction.
Yeah. So may I know about you?
My name is, yeah, my name is Karishma and I am an advocate by profession. I'm a YouTuber too, and I'm also mother of two kids. One kid is here just next to me, and one
Okay.
is sleeping. He's the like younger one. He's only 3 months old. So
Okay.
yes.
Okay, that's great.
So what we should discuss today? Is there anything in your mind to discuss on particular topic or something?
Yes, ma'am. Before starting the topic, so I have little bit question. Yeah. So my question is that are you belong to Hindi medium or English medium student?
Hindi medium. Till graduation, my medium was study was like Hindi medium. But after my graduation, I pursue LLB, which I did in English, which was in English.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I'm forget the place. Where are you from?
Actually, I'm from UP, but I was born and brought up in Delhi only. And
Okay.
presently, I'm living in Gurgaon. Like after marriage, I moved to Gurgaon.
Okay. So what is the reason behind this? Because you are tuber. So may I know the reason? Main reason?
What reason? Like becoming a YouTuber?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I love talking to the people. I want to improve my English language. That's why I started this channel. And you know what? If you will watch my previous videos, they're not that good. I was not at all fluent in English. I made a lot of grammatical errors while speaking. So now I have improved through this YouTube channel because on this platform, I got chance to speak so many people, especially the tutors from Clappingo, Ace Fluency, and some YouTuber friends also. This is
Okay.
how, in this way, I improved my English actually. So that's the
Hmm.
reason I joined YouTube.
Okay. So you belong to Hindi medium and you belong to UP. So which type of problems have you faced related to English speaking? Because
One problem. Let me tell you, because the environment was completely Hindi. I studied in
okay.
Hindi medium school. All kids, even all the teachers, they used to speak in Hindi language only. And I don't know,
Mhm.
personally, I feel English, I felt like English was very difficult language for me, and I couldn't get good marks, not even in my 12th. Till 12th, I got like, every time in English subject, I got 40 marks, 45 marks. I did not get more than that. It's very
Mhm.
embarrassing. But Yeah, it was not really good. And the challenge is like, obviously in my family member, everybody speaks Hindi language, right? So how I learned this. So, but after after graduation, I started thinking in that way, like it is very important to learn English because um, if you want to stand on your feet, you must have to know English because everywhere is English culture. So if you will go to the interview, I have to clear that interview in English, and then that's the time I have realized the importance of English language, and then I started working on that little bit.
Okay. And yes, ma'am, I am a English teacher and I belong to Hindi medium. My background is also Hindi. My school is Hindi medium. So, how I can improve my English as well as my students? I mean, how I can create English atmosphere for my students because you are experienced older and you belong to city area. So please suggest me some tips.
First thing, I feel that your English is quite good. I don't think that you need any kind of improvement. Uh, there's a little improvement only in pronunciation. There's a few words which you pronounce wrong. Otherwise, everything
Hmm.
is just perfect. Second thing you said, like how we can how you can teach your students. So like I have my 4-year-old boy with me. He can speak fluent English with me, and
Okay.
it is only because I started speaking with him in English language. When he was 2 years old, I started
Hmm.
speaking with him in small small sentences like Mitansh, please give me this, do this and do that, turn on the fan, go
Hmm.
upstairs, go outside. This is how I started communicating with him when he was only 2. And by the age of 3, he understood everything in English and he started
Hmm.
speaking also at the age of 3. So, you have to create environment by yourself. You have to start taking initiative and you have to start speaking with your students daily, regularly. And if you will do it for 1 year, I'm 100% sure they will learn like a lot of improvement you can see in them.
Yeah, yeah. And regarding my pronunciation, ma'am, actually, I think my accent is affected with my dialect, my local language, and being a Hindi medium, I think.
Yes, that is absolutely true. It always happens. Even I will give you a practical example. I have met so many people from Bihar. Even they are living in the city, but their pronunciation of few words is like different just because
Hmm.
of they have influence of their mother tongue because they have been speaking their mother tongue since their childhood, so they know like if they want to pronounce that particular word in that way they cannot leave it until they practice more. If you will keep
Hmm.
practicing to improve your pronunciation you can improve it. It is not the difficult part. And let me tell you a practical way of improving it. This is how I also improved. I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos and through those
Hmm.
videos I have learned English, right? So I have this particular thing when I'm watching someone, the person when finish its sentence, I keep repeating that in the same tone, in the same
Hmm.
way the person is
Okay.
pronouncing. This is how I can, work on my pronunciation. This is how I improved actually. My pronunciation was also not good. Still, I make mistake in pronouncing few words because I did not know the actual pronunciation. That time I also make mistake. So this is how you can, improve. You can copy someone, you can repeat after them, and that will, after a few days, if you will do it consistently, then
Hmm.
100% your pronunciation will improve. Other apart from it, I think there is no other need. I can say that like you are very fluent. Yes,
Okay. Yes, it means it depends on our practice and our consistency.
right, right, absolutely right.
Yeah, and I'm an English teacher, but right now I'm talking with you as a learner, as a beginner, as a student.
No, but I am talking to you as my subscriber. That's it. You are one of my subscribers, and that is the reason I'm talking to you. And it is, I think, first time that I am talking to someone who is not a YouTuber or not a tutor. This is the first time I'm talking with someone. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, okay. So, second question, ma'am. When you started talking with someone video through video call, okay. So please share your experience at that time. How did you feel at that time in first conversation?
First conversation. You can watch my first clipping of video that is on my channel. That video got, I think, more than 6 lakhs of views, and that time I was like very beginner. I made a lot of grammatical mistakes in that particular single one video. Just go and watch that video. And there was the tutor Himanshu. He was so understandable tutor, and I love talking with him actually. And the first day, from the very first day, I was confident. I have this good thing in me, I can say, that I'm very much confident about everything. I don't feel hesitant, nervousness. Can you see any nervousness or anything, like, because you are also stranger to me. I did not know you before this call, right? But
Yeah.
still, I'm very much comfortable while talking to you. So this is in my nature actually. I'm a very confident girl, and I never feel a shy or nervousness or hesitant. So I,
Mhm.
take it very normally. I don't feel difficult.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Difficult, yeah, first time.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. So, many content is available in YouTube related to English, grammar and conversation videos. So, which is fruitful conversation, and who is the fantastic English trainer or YouTuber? Please suggest me if you are taking help from that videos.
I am the good YouTuber. Obviously, if you are going to ask me, I will say my name only. But yes, in terms of like what kind of content you should watch, I personally feel that conversation videos are really, really helpful, because when you're having conversation with someone, you are going to discuss different things which we are, facing in day-to-day life. This is how
Mhm.
we have to communicate in English. So when you are listening a conversation video, that can be help you in your future conversation also. You will able to remember that, okay, this is kind of conversation I have listened, and that may be in your mind, and you can start repeating that. So this is how you can learn frequently, or like कैसे कहेंगे जल्दी सीख सकते हो आप. You can learn
Mhm.
fast in this way. But if you will
Okay.
keep watching the motivational videos, lecturers videos, you will just keep listening them, and after some time you will forget them, because you're not going to practice them, and they will not gonna work you. But the most effective way is to listen conversation and have conversation with someone else. Then only it can, work in a better way. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So, other question. I belong to Uttarakhand. So, have you visited Uttarakhand?
Nainital I have visited.
Okay. Yes, Nainital. Okay. Nainital, Masuri, Dehradun,
Not
Kedarnath,
Mussoorie,
Badrinath.
Nainital, Ranikhet, and Nainital and Ranikhet. I visited, I think, thrice in my life. Yeah.
Okay.
I stayed in Ranikhet for like 14, 15 days.
Okay. Yeah, because in Uttarakhand, Kedarnath, Badrinath, Gangotri, Yamunotri, Haridwar, Rishikesh,
And
Nainital, Masuri, Tieri, and Dehradun are famous and religious places.
yes, yes, yes. But I have never been there.
So, yeah, you visited Nainital. So, ma'am, what is your opinion about the culture and about the nature of the pupil in Uttarakhand?
I did not know much about them, but yes, as far as I know about the people, they are good. I have not met so many people there, because I went with my college group. I was in NCC, and it was a
Mhm.
kind of what do we call, NCC camp kind something. So I was
Okay.
there for 15 days, but under the guidance of my teachers and elders. So I did not get chance to talk with the people of Nainital, but yes, I can I have experienced one thing, which is like that the weather has been changed. Weather has changed so frequently. In the morning, it's like sunny. In the afternoon, it started raining. Till the night, it's cold, and again next morning, it's something else. So
Yeah.
I experienced three seasons in only one day, and it was like we were living in the tent, and it used to rain like on
Mhm.
regular basis. Anytime rain started. So this
Okay.
is like very difficult. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So, ma'am, now we will discuss about any topic. But before starting the topic, so you want to any question, random question to me?
Yes, I would like to know that how did you learn English?
Pardon?
How did you learn English?
Yeah, ma'am, actually, regarding my English journey, I have been using two, three apps like as AC fluency, hybrid application. Okay. And yes, I improved a lot my English, but last 6 months I have been using these applications and WhatsApp group. And regarding conversational videos, I have been using last 3 months. Yes,
Yes,
I am
yes.
talking within 2-3 persons within a week.
Okay, you have already talked with few people already.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Uh,
would you like to name them? Like with whom you
YouTuber.
talk? They are
Yes,
YouTubers.
yeah, Anisa ma'am and Asutosh official 2022.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay, okay.
and Menika ma'am and other. Actually, I'm right now I'm forgetting the names. Yeah,
That's nice. You're doing a good job because you're if you will keep talking like this, you will become an expert in English.
yeah. Actually, my weak point is that I'm not perfect in English speaking, and as a teacher, it is must for me to speak English fluently. That's why I'm learning English through this platform. As a student, as a beginner, no as a teacher.
See, you are doing the right thing because being a teacher, it is really important for you to learn English. You should be good in
Yeah,
English. But you know what? I have seen there are many teachers in the village. They did not know even single English word, and they are still teaching. I have
yeah,
came across a lot of videos on Aaj Tak and News India. They're like they expose those teachers like they did not know how to write this word, and they are teaching. So it is also a kind of self-respect. Before teaching, we should also know. But it is also true that we learn through teaching process. The process you are like teaching, through teaching, you can learn so many things, so many things. So
mhm.
improvement is important. It's not like that you're teaching from like 5 years and you haven't learned anything. It's not true. If you will teach properly, if you are teaching, you will surely learn so many things. So yeah, if you are an English teacher,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm English teacher.
automatically your English will going to improve within a few years. 100%
Yeah,
because you must be reading, writing, you include all the activities, yeah, right? And I
yeah,
can see that there's a not like you are already speaking well. I don't find any difficulty to understand you, or like I don't see there's no fluency. I can see you fluent, yeah,
yeah, yeah.
from my
Okay.
perspective.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. So now we will start any topic.
But now I don't have time. I have only 15 minutes.
Okay.
I have another session booked with Clapping Go. So I have to
Mhm.
attend that. Otherwise, my baby will wake up and he will not allow me to do anything. As you know that I am raising two kids these days and it's very difficult for me.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Yes. Okay. So we will wind up this conversation.
Sure, we'll wind up this conversation. And I would like to say that it's a really nice conversation with you. You're very straightforward. Whatever you want to ask very straightly. That, okay, madam, I want to ask you questions. And you started asking me. So that's a very, it looks sometimes innocent, like you just started and you keep ask your all questions. Now you finish. Now we can start topic, right? So it's very good. Nice
Yeah.
conversation with you.
Yeah.
I enjoyed it a
Yeah.
lot.
Yes, ma'am. I found that in this conversation, you are noble, ma'am, and you have ability. You have capacity to create English atmosphere to each other. Okay,
Ah,
because it is good, ma'am. It is good because you are talking with me, and suppose I'm feeling hesitation and lack of confidence. So it is our duty to create English atmosphere for other person, for learner. So I found that the quality you have available. That's great, ma'am. Yes.
thank you so much.
Yeah. So thank you very much giving me your valuable time for me. And thank you very much. Have a nice day and God bless you. And sure, we will meet with next topic.
Sure, sure, sure. Thank you so much. Thanks. Bye
Yeah.
bye.
Okay. Okay. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.